Yeah, no worries. He doesn't seem to mind.
Here's a guy running. You're watching right now. Guy on the left is running. That is dedication. Another runner. Nice. fell. That's okay. We're good. We're we're good to go. We're not going to go down that hill, I guess. Okay. Right back up the hill. Very slippery. I was wondering, we're using a steady cam. That's why the camera is so steady. I know a bunch of you have asked. And thank you for asking if I'm okay. Yes. Good to go. Another good boy right there. Typically see buildings all right there. Total whiteout right here, right now. No, the dog had owners, for those wondering. The dog was not on the loose. Also, many commenting that it's a dusting or a light snowstorm. It's still going down pretty hard. It's hard to tell on camera. And the sleet, it does hurt. Definitely sleeting, so it's a substantial storm we have going on here. But it is yielding a very beautiful looking Central Park, that is for sure. There you go. You can no longer see really any of the buildings in Columbus Circle. I'll give you a little more walk here. That's a huge dog. very big dog. A lot of people commenting from Texas, bragging about how nice it is there, so congratulations. That is, I'm assuming, much nicer weather than it is right here, right now. Thanks again to everyone for watching. Reminder to stay with ABC News and GMA all day, all week long for this coverage of the blizzard, and much more planned today. And it's not just in New York, New England getting hammered, and much more. And for everyone out there who is in the blizzard or within severe weather, stay safe. It's the number one thing. Want to look at Sheep Meadow. Spring only 6 days away. Usually you'll see people lined up all here on blankets, having fun, having picnics. 6 days from spring. Does not look like that'll be happening in the next week. Someone in Suffolk County, the wind is blowing. The wind is very strong here as well. That's probably the main issue. The sleet coming down in the wind. It's pretty hard to walk. You get hit in the face pretty hard. Again, these are some pretty tall buildings there in Columbus Circle that you just cannot see right now. Right there, Trump International Tower right there. Some other buildings, Time Warner building over there. You can't see any of them from here. And usually, I mean, crystal clear. One of the tallest buildings, a condominium building in New York, is right around here. Right up there with the World Trade Center in terms of height, and you can't see it at all. You can see the trees there, you can see some of the wind. People asking what shoes people are wearing, what kind of snowshoes. Dress shoes. That's the way to go. No need for snowshoes. There's somebody on a bike. Well, walking a bike. He was recording as well. Had what appeared to be a GoPro on his head, but riding a bike right now in this is not very possible. So we'll swoop you around here a little bit before we end this. No cars coming. We'll try to walk here in the road a little bit, give you a nice view. This will be picturesque in December, that's for sure. And for those who forgot, it is March 13th. 6 days till spring. This is what it looks like in New York. And now we want to get out of the road. It is March 14th. You are correct. Thank you for correcting that. So, even later into March. How about that? Camera crews set up. A lot of people from GMA out and about in New England reporting. Eva Pilgrim, Alex Perez, Rob Marciano, Ginger was here in New York. Like I said many times, stay tuned with all of GMA and ABC News social channels and much more for more coverage of the blizzard. Someone else maybe jogging? Gotta get those steps in. Outdoor drinks not happening here today, that's for sure. You're making all of us very jealous in Texas. I don't know about that. Gladly will trade places. But again, a lot of people from Texas commenting about the snow. And actually, someone that would like to see it. I'm not sure how we can send that snow down to Austin. We're rocking the road here for a few. A lot of people tuning in from Pennsylvania saying it's pretty bad in parts there. Some cars about to pass through Central Park. Same picture in Washington, D.C., many people say. Much of the Northeast getting hit. And again, the blizzard conditions changed overnight, as reported on GMA, and a lot of New England got hit pretty hard. We'll take you back to Columbus Circle, and then we'll end this as there's more dogs. You try to cross and see those dogs. Let's see. No, I'm not going to be able to catch up, but those are some three beautiful looking dogs. Another person running. Look at that. Dedication. we'll walk down there. Why not? I really want to see those dogs. Let's see if I can make it over there. Ugh. Trying not to fall again. Folks, we're going to the dogs. Live stream may kick out soon.
I was like looking.
We have 10% battery, so we're going to end it here with these dogs if their owner is fine with that. Excuse me. Excuse me. Mind if we just take a look? Mind if we just take a look at your dogs?
What?
Mind if we just take a look at your dogs?
Sure.
We're on the Good Morning America Facebook page live.
Absolutely.
What are their names?
Truman and Harry and Allie.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, they're having fun.
We saw you from afar, and people are begging all across the country. Like, we want to see those dogs.
So have fun. All right. Have a good one.
Well, beautiful. Yeah. Thank you.
Stay warm.
Yeah, you too. Stay safe. There you go, folks. They're the dogs. Beautiful dogs. Oh, there you go. A lot of hearts coming up on Facebook. Well, folks, this may die soon, so I want to give you a proper goodbye. Thanks for tuning in. Give you a nice look at Central Park. A lot of you said that you've never been to New York. Come on and visit, and come visit GMA. We'd love to have you. And again, first off, most importantly, stay safe. But also stay tuned to GMA and ABC News on all social and live channels all day and throughout the week. We have you covered. Again, stay safe, stay warm, and have a great Tuesday.